Welcome. If you're a homeowner feeling stuck or frustrated by today's real estate market, you're not alone. Interest rates are high, homes are sitting longer, and costs keep rising. But there's a way to take back control: the DIY lease purchase option for homeowners system. This isn't a pitch for agents or investors. It's a strategy for homeowners to solve real problems on their own terms. In this video, we'll cover the top pain points homeowners face in 2025 and show how lease purchase or option can turn those challenges into financial wins. Let's dive in. High interest rates have sidelined many buyers, shrinking your pool and leaving your home on the market for months. With a DIY lease purchase, you can secure a tenant buyer now, collect an upfront option fee, and receive higher than average monthly payments, covering your mortgage and more. You get immediate relief and a committed buyer no matter what rates do next. Falling behind on mortgage payments is stressful and scary. A lease purchase lets you collect a substantial option fee up front, enough to catch up on payments, and ongoing lease payments to stabilize your finances. It's a fast way to stop the spiral and regain control. Agent commissions can eat up your equity, especially in a tough market. With DIY lease purchase, you bypass those fees, keep more profit, and manage the sale yourself using proven tools and paperwork. You stay in control and maximize your return. If you can't afford repairs, your home may attract only lowball offers or none at all. Lease purchase gives you flexibility. Offer the home as is, let the tenant buyer handle repairs, or negotiate credits. The right tenant buyer is often willing to invest sweat equity, making your property more valuable without upfront costs. You solve the repair problem and move forward. Waiting for the right sale can delay your retirement plans. Lease purchase brings in an upfront option fee and steady monthly income, supplementing your retirement while you wait for the final sale. It's like getting an advance on your home's value. Market swings make it hard to know when to sell. With lease purchase, you lock in a sale price now, protecting yourself if prices drop. Meanwhile, you collect upfront cash and monthly payments, creating stability. You're no longer at the mercy of market headlines. Divorce, relocation, or loss can force a rush sale at a bad price. Lease purchase gives you time, control, and immediate income, helping cover expenses and easing transitions. You set the timeline, not the market or your circumstances. Taxes and insurance keep rising, eating into your budget. Lease purchase lets you set lease payments above your total costs, so increases are covered by your tenant buyer. You maintain profit and peace of mind. Falling behind on HOA dues can lead to fines or even foreclosure. The upfront option fee from a lease purchase can pay off dues and fines immediately, while monthly payments keep you current. You clear the slate and avoid future headaches. Tired of late payments, property damage, and constant tenant issues? Tenant buyers in a lease purchase have skin in the game. They pay on time, care for the property, and handle minor repairs. You shift from landlord to passive income earner. Less stress, more stability. Can't get a new mortgage because you still own your current home? Lease purchase income can often be used to offset your debt-to-income ratio, helping you qualify for your next loan. Move forward with your plans while your old home generates income. Inheriting a property can be overwhelming, especially if it's far away or needs work. Lease purchase turns it into income and a future sale, without the hassle of being a landlord or rushing to sell. The property is cared for and profitable while you sort out the estate. Unique homes can sit unsold for months. Lease purchase attracts a wider pool of buyers who value your home's special features and need flexible terms. You find the right buyer and secure income while waiting for the sale. A sudden loss of income can make your mortgage unaffordable. Lease purchase provides an upfront cash cushion and steady monthly payments, helping you avoid foreclosure or a desperate sale. You gain time and stability to recover. House hacking can wear you out. Constant turnover, no privacy. Lease Purchase lets you rent the whole home to one committed tenant buyer, often for more income and far less hassle. You regain your space and peace of mind. High vacancy and turnover destroy cash flow. Tenant buyers stay longer and care for the property thanks to their financial stake. You enjoy consistent income and fewer headaches. Ready to exit an investment but don't want a fire sale? Lease Purchase lets you lock in your price, collect an option fee, and enjoy cash flow until the sale closes on your terms. It's a smart, profitable exit strategy. Probate and estate settlements can drag on, draining resources. Lease Purchase generates income to cover costs and keeps the property maintained until the estate is settled. Once probate is done, the sale proceeds smoothly. Want to help family or friends buy your home but need security and income? Lease Purchase formalizes the process, provides income, and gives your loved ones a path to ownership. Everyone wins, and your interests are protected. Worried about selling too soon or too late? Lease Purchase gives you upfront cash, monthly income, and a locked-in price, plus the potential to share in future appreciation. You create multiple ways to win, no matter where the market goes. The challenges of 2025 are real, but you don't have to wait for the market to change. The DIY lease purchase or option strategy puts you in control, collecting upfront cash, monthly income, and securing a future sale. If these pain points sound familiar, our Why DIY Lease Purchase or Option for Homeowners ebook is your next step. It's packed with details and only $39.99. When our full course launches, your ebook price counts toward it. Check our Eventbrite for the next presentation or email us to get started. Take control. Start your lease purchase journey today.